What is tip number 6 for how to get the best of every learning and training program? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, where we're exploring the subject of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in the previous videos, we talk about different tips and tools how to get the best of every learning. And today, it's one of my favorite one, and it's really important one. When we are talking about learning, there are 3 different stages, 3 different pillars of learning. If we put the learning as in the top, there are 3 important pillars. And the first pillar is knowledge. And knowledge is the information. And we are happy to live in the most informative generation we live in. Every one of us, we have the phones, we have connection and access to so much information today. It's everywhere. We can use it by our phone, in our computers. We have a lot of information. And the first step of learning is get the information. We have to explore it, and we have to be really specific about what information we want, because it's too much. You can be overwhelmed. We can be just literally lost if all the information. That's why we have to be really focused on and clear of what exactly we want as an information. But having the information, knowing the information is step number 1, which is knowledge. Step number 2 is really important, and it's understanding. And understanding is really to have these aha moments, which is really important. I remember when I was studying at uni, and on some subjects, I was just reading a paragraph, and I just couldn't understand what's going on. What are they talking about? And I had to go and read it again, until the moment I have this aha moment. And now I understand it. I really do. It's not just to have the information and just to be able to quote it, but really to understand it, just to have the insight. So you know that you know it, and you really understand the material, the information, and you know it. And there is the third really important part, which is our tip number 6, and it's do it. Put it into practice. And this is really key. In this training program, we will be talking about a lot of different things, but also we'll put them into practice. And I remember in my dancing studio, I was sharing with people, I was giving them different information about how to dance. I was telling them about it. After that, I was showing them until they understand it. But after that, we had to put it into practice. We had to start doing it. We had to do the steps, the real practical steps. It's not just to hear about them. It's not just to know about them and to understand about it. But in order really to have different results in our life, we have to do it. We have to put it into practice. Imagine you want to learn swimming. You can read as many books as you want. You can watch as many videos as you can. But until you get into this pool, until you get into the water, nothing will happen. And this is the practical part. We have to get into the pool. We have to get into the water. We have to do the practical necessary steps in order to have the results you want to have and to achieve the goals we want to achieve, and really to fulfill the heart desires. Because I do believe that they are really vital and important for us, our heart desires. But the only way we can do it is first to take the information, understand it, spend the time, as we talked earlier on, just to spend the time, just to meditate only, just to take the notes, just to understand it, to be able to have these aha moments. And the third one is really to do it, to put it into practice. Otherwise, there is no point of learning. There is no point of just getting information if we don't put it into practice. And this is for each and every area of our life, like health, for example. All of us, we know, if I ask you today, and if you're honest, have you heard the phrase, an apple a day will keep the doctor away? That's correct. And we all know it. We have the information. Maybe not all of us really understand that. But the sad thing is that we don't do it, even if it's something simple like that. Apple a day. Even now, I have an apple in my car. So it's literally an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's not that we just know about it, that will really improve my health. It's not just if I understand it, this will not benefit me much. But if I eat it on a daily basis, even something simple like that, this is what will change my life. This is what will keep me healthy. These practical little things on a daily basis, they will keep me healthy when I exercise, when I do my drink a lot of water, when I have my apples and fruits and vegetables. This is what will keep me healthy, not just because I know about it, but when I do it. And that's why in this training program, we will have little exercises, which if we apply in our life, they will bring something new, something different. They will have the power to change our life and to lead us to some new places. So do it. Practical part is really crucial. So this is what we'll be doing. We will be doing practical stuff. So thank you for your time. And soon I will share with you what is tip number 7. Thank you for your time. Have a lovely day. I'll see you soon.